Let me ask you something. Why do some people work for 40 years and still struggle financially, while others manage to build significant wealth in just a decade or so? The difference isn't luck, talent, or even how much they earn. It's all about what they choose to invest in. Today, we're going to break down the 4 investments that actually build wealth, not just money, but life changing, lasting wealth. If you truly understand these principles, your financial future can change forever. Let's dive in and uncover what really sets the wealthy apart from everyone else. Start with the most obvious investment: financial assets. Think real estate, stocks, and bonds. Most people focus on saving money, but truly wealthy people focus on investing it. There's a big difference: saving protects your money, but investing multiplies it. When you put your money into assets like real estate, stocks, or bonds, you activate something powerful: compound growth. This is the secret behind exponential wealth. Instead of chasing money, the wealthy buy assets that produce money for them, letting their money work harder than they ever could. Let's look at how compound growth works. If you invest $10,000 at a 10% annual return in 10 years, it grows to about $26,000. In 20 years, it's over $67,000. That's the magic of exponential growth. This is why investors follow principles from books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Real estate generates rental income, stock provide dividends and appreciation, and bonds offer predictable return. The key is to let your money work for you rather than you working for money. But here's the truth: financial assets aren't the first investment you should make. There's something even more important. Before your money can multiply, you need to multiply your skills. Your income is simply the market value of your skills. If you're earning $1,000 per month, that's what your current skills are worth. If you want to earn $10,000 per month, you need to become 10 times more valuable. That's why education is the most important investment. And it's not just about formal schooling, it's about books, courses, mentors, and real-world experience. People like Warren Buffett spend hours reading every day because knowledge compounds just like money does. Think about this: if you invest $500 in a course and it helps you increase your income by $500 per month, that's a 100% return in just 1 month. No stock or bond can match that kind of return. Education increases your earning power, and earning power is what funds your future investments. This is the foundation of building wealth. But even with the right education, some people still struggle to get ahead. Why is that? The answer lies in the next investment, one that's often overlooked but absolutely essential. Productivity is what determines how quickly you can put your skills and knowledge to work. You might know everything there is to know, but if you procrastinate, lack discipline, or have poor health, you'll delay your journey to financial freedom. Productivity is made up of 3 things: mindset, environment, and health. Do you think long-term or chase short-term pleasure? Are you surrounded by ambition or negativity? Is your energy high or low? High performers protect their time and energy, and that's what allows them to achieve more in less time. Let's break down productivity even further. Your mindset shapes your actions. Do you focus on long-term goals or get distracted by short-term pleasures? Your environment matters too. Are you surrounded by people who push you to be better, or do they hold you back? And finally, your health is crucial. If your energy is low, your output will be low. High performers like Elon Musk are known for their extreme productivity. Wealth is often the result of sustained, focused output over time. Even a small improvement in productivity can make a huge difference over the years. If you improve your productivity by just 20% over 5 years, the gap between you and someone who doesn't improve becomes massive. Productivity determines how fast you build skills, how quickly you earn, how rapidly you invest, and ultimately how soon you reach financial freedom. But even with productivity, there's still one more investment that most people ignore, and it might just be the most powerful of all when it comes to building lasting wealth. Relationships are the investment that creates opportunities. Not resumes, not degrees, but real connections. Many million-dollar deals happen because of introductions, networking, and reputation. Your network expands your access to opportunities that you might never find on your own. Books like How to Win Friends and Influence People are still popular because they teach timeless principles about building trust and reputation. People do business with those they trust, and one good connection can change your life. A network can offer you a job, introduce you to investors, become your business partner, or teach you something money can't buy. Your reputation is a financial asset in itself. When your name carries value, opportunities come to you without you even asking. This is why relationships are so powerful. They can open doors that would otherwise remain closed. Financial assets grow your money, education grows your income, productivity grows your speed, but relationships grow your opportunities. Here's something powerful to remember: financial assets grow your money, education grows your income, productivity grows your speed, and relationships grow your opportunities. When you combine all 4, that's when real wealth is built. Each investment supports the others, creating a system that multiplies your results over time. This is the true formula for building lasting, life-changing wealth. Let's see how these layers work together in practice. Summarize: if you only invest in money, your growth will be slow. If you invest in skills, you increase your earning power. If you invest in productivity, you accelerate your progress. If you invest in relationships, you unlock doors others never even see. Wealth isn't built in just one dimension, it's built in layers, with each layer supporting the next. The key is to start with education, improve your productivity, grow your income, buy financial assets, and build relationships along the way. First step in the wealth building journey is always education. By investing in your knowledge and skills, you lay the foundation for everything else. Education increases your earning power, which then funds your investments. Whether it's through books, courses, or mentors, never stop learning. The more you know, the more you can earn, and the more opportunities you'll have to grow your wealth. Once you've invested in education, the next step is to improve your productivity. This means developing the right mindset, creating a supportive environment, and taking care of your health. Productivity is about making the most of your time and energy so you can achieve more in less time. Small improvements in productivity can lead to massive results over the years, accelerating your journey to financial freedom. Education and productivity in place, your next focus should be on growing your income. This is where your skills and productivity come together to create real financial progress. As your income grows, you'll have more resources to invest in financial assets and build your wealth even faster. Remember, earning more isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter and leveraging your skills. Now that you have a growing income, it's time to invest in financial assets. This is where your money starts working for you, generating returns through compound growth. Whether it's real estate, stocks, or bonds, the key is to invest consistently and let time do the heavy lifting. The earlier you start, the more powerful the compounding effect becomes, helping you build wealth faster than you ever thought possible. As you move forward on your wealth building journey, don't forget to invest in relationships. Building a strong network can open doors to opportunities, partnerships, and insights that you might never find on your own. Your reputation and connections are assets that can pay dividends for years to come. Remember, wealth isn't just about money, it's also about the people you know and the value you bring to those relationships. Real secret to building wealth is consistency. If you follow the system, investing in education, productivity, financial assets, and relationships, over 10 years your life will change permanently. It's not about getting rich overnight, but about making steady progress and letting the power of compounding work in your favor. Financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a system that anyone can follow with discipline and patience. Financial freedom isn't just for the lucky few, it's a system that anyone can follow. By focusing on the right investments and building good habits, you can create a future where money works for you, not the other way around. The key is to start today, stay consistent, and keep building layer by layer. Over time, the results will speak for themselves, and you'll find yourself enjoying a level of freedom you never thought possible. Here's the final takeaway: don't just focus on earning money. Build assets, build skills, build discipline, and build relationships. Each of these investments plays a crucial role in your journey to wealth. When you combine them, you create a powerful system that can transform your life. Remember, wealth is about more than just money, it's about creating a life of freedom, opportunity, and fulfillment. Developing a wealth-building mindset is essential. This means thinking long-term, being willing to invest in yourself, and understanding that setbacks are part of the journey. The most successful people see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. By adopting this mindset, you'll be better prepared to make smart investment decisions and stay committed to your goals, even when things get tough. Take inspiration from those who have already achieved financial freedom. Study their habits, learn from their mistakes, and apply their strategies to your own life. Whether it's reading books, listening to podcasts, or finding mentors, there's always something new to learn. The wealthy are constantly seeking knowledge and looking for ways to improve. Make lifelong learning a core part of your wealth-building plan. Knowledge alone isn't enough, you have to take action. Many people know what they should do, but few actually do it. The difference between those who build wealth and those who don't is often just the willingness to take consistent, focused action. Start small if you have to, but start today. Every step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Every wealth-building journey comes with setbacks. You might make mistakes, face unexpected expenses, or encounter tough times. The key is to stay resilient and keep moving forward. Learn from your failures, adjust your strategy, and never lose sight of your long-term goals. Remember, setbacks are temporary, but the habits you build will last a lifetime. Wealth is built on good habits. Whether it's saving regularly, investing consistently, or dedicating time to learning, your daily actions add up over time. Focus on building habits that support your financial goals and make them a natural part of your routine. The more automatic these habits become, the easier it will be to stay on track and achieve lasting success. Discipline is what keeps you moving forward even when motivation fades. It's about making the right choices even when they're not easy. The most successful investors and entrepreneurs rely on discipline to stick to their plans and avoid distractions. By developing discipline, you'll be able to stay focused on your goals and make steady progress, no matter what challenges come your way. Today's world, technology can be a powerful tool for building wealth. From online courses to investment platforms, there are more resources than ever to help you learn, grow, and manage your finances. Use technology to your advantage, track your progress, automate your savings, and stay informed about new opportunities. The right tools can make your wealth-building journey faster and more efficient. Building relationships isn't limited to face-to-face interactions. In the digital age, you can expand your network through social media, online communities, and virtual events. Connect with like-minded individuals, share your experiences, and learn from others. The more you engage with your network, the more opportunities you'll discover. Remember, your network is one of your most valuable assets. Wealth building is a lifelong journey of self-improvement. Always look for ways to upgrade your skills, expand your knowledge, and improve your habits. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become in the marketplace. Make self-improvement a priority, and you'll find that opportunities for wealth and success come more easily. Mentors can accelerate your progress by sharing their experience and guiding you around common pitfalls. Seek out mentors who have achieved what you aspire to and be open to their advice. A good mentor can help you avoid costly mistakes and make smarter decisions, saving you years of trial and error on your wealth-building journey. Failure is not the end, it's a valuable teacher. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve. The most successful people embrace failure, analyze what went wrong, and use those lessons to get better. Don't be afraid to take risks and make mistakes. The key is to learn quickly and keep moving forward. Building wealth is a long journey, so it's important to celebrate your progress along the way. Recognize and reward yourself for reaching milestones, no matter how small. Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated and reminds you that you're moving in the right direction. Every step forward is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Distractions are everywhere, but staying focused on your goals is crucial for building wealth. Set clear, specific goals and review them regularly. Remind yourself why you started and what you want to achieve. The more focused you are, the easier it will be to make decisions that align with your long-term vision. True wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's also about making a positive impact. As you build wealth, look for ways to give back to your community, support causes you care about, and help others on their journey. Giving back not only enriches the lives of others but also brings a deeper sense of fulfillment and purpose to your own life. The world is constantly changing and adaptability is key to long-term success. Be willing to adjust your strategies as new opportunities and challenges arise. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to pivot when necessary. The ability to adapt will help you stay ahead and continue building wealth no matter what the future holds. Good health is the foundation of everything else. Without it, it's hard to be productive, stay disciplined, or enjoy the wealth you build. Make your physical and mental health a priority. Exercise regularly, eat well, and take time to recharge. A healthy body and mind will give you the energy and resilience you need to pursue your goals. Surround yourself with people who support your goals and encourage your growth. A strong support system can help you stay motivated, overcome challenges, and celebrate your successes. Whether it's family, friends, mentors, or peers, having the right people in your corner makes the journey to wealth much more enjoyable and sustainable. Understanding how money works is essential for building wealth. Take the time to learn about budgeting, investing, taxes, and financial planning. The more financially literate you are, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Financial literacy is a skill that pays dividends for life. As your income grows, it's tempting to increase your spending, but true wealth is built by maintaining a modest lifestyle and investing the difference. Avoid lifestyle inflation and focus on growing your assets instead of your expenses. The more you save and invest, the faster your wealth will grow. Set clear, measurable financial goals to guide your actions. Whether it's saving for a home, building an investment portfolio, or reaching financial independence, having specific goals keeps you focused and motivated. Review your goals regularly and adjust them as needed to stay on track. Regularly tracking your progress is key to staying motivated and making adjustments. Use tools and apps to monitor your savings, investments, and net worth. Celebrate your milestones and use setbacks as learning opportunities. The more aware you are of your progress, the easier it will be to stay committed to your wealth-building journey. Building wealth takes time, patience, and persistence. There will be ups and downs along the way, but staying committed to your plan is what makes the difference. Trust the process, keep learning, and don't give up. Over time, your efforts will compound and lead to lasting financial freedom. Remember, wealth building is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, learn from every experience, and stay open to new opportunities. The habits and skills you develop along the way will serve you for a lifetime, helping you create not just financial wealth but a rich and fulfilling life. Now you have the blueprint. Invest in education, boost your productivity, grow your income, invest in financial assets, and build strong relationships. Follow this system consistently and you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Remember, the journey starts with a single step. Take action today and watch your wealth grow over time. To wrap up, building real wealth isn't about luck or talent, it's about making smart investments in yourself, your skills, your productivity, your assets, and your relationships. Start with education, stay disciplined, and keep building layer by layer. Over time, you'll create a life of freedom, opportunity, and fulfillment. That's the true meaning of wealth.